Hey everyone, so this happened to us a few days ago. Basically, this vehicle behind us, this white van, got closer and closer and then decided to pass the Model 3 and went to the side, and then it just hit the side of the vehicle and then it took off. It was a hit and run. The vehicle did not stop. But then later it did come a little bit closer here again, and then it abruptly changes lanes last minute here. And I don't know, they're swerving a little bit, hitting the brakes. Then they'll slam the brakes again here again for some reason, because I don't know why, there's no vehicle in front. But they slam the brakes and they continue on. And then here they slam the brakes again, right here. And then later the vehicle goes on the side here and it gets pretty close. And then the person driving it, she pulls out a camera and starts either videoing us or taking pictures. And yeah, and then the car takes off. So never stopped, reporting it as a hit and run, and not sure what happened, why the vehicle hit us. Either they lost control, they were busy on their phone or something, who knows.